All right, what are we on next? Next is deployable. All right, let's start them up. Oh, man. We'll give him a minute start. Then we'll go after that guy. Deployable. Oof, not too many left. Well, then we'll do the Active Directory, though. We're not just going to leave it as that. We haven't even hit 24 hours yet, you know. I think we've hit 6 hours so far. Although since Twitch likes to fail, we can't even see the real uptime. But I think I started at 9 a.m. Well, I started like 9:30, and it's 15:07 like right now, so we haven't even hit 6 hours yet, so whatever. Alright, let's try to do an mmap on this guy. CD back, we'll make a directory deployable. And let's go ahead and mmap that guy. May not be ready yet. Give him a couple more minutes to go. Start up. Let's go ahead and start up a ping on him and we'll see like already comes on. If he's able to be pinged. Guess we'll find out here in a minute. Whoa! Just almost lost the whole stream. Let's pull back on my desk and everything just came moving. Alright. Well, looks like we're pinging them, so we'll go ahead and we will run an mmap scan on that guy like right there. Not 13? Yep, okay. Alright, looks like we got SMB up. Maybe not, all the services may not come up yet. Let's try an mmap, TAC-P. If 139 is up, most likely 445 is up. So we'll do an SC, TAC-SV on 13. And let's also go ahead and do another mmap on them again. Oh, we got port 8080 up. And 3389. We got some remote desktop, port 8080. See what that is. Dangerous but default. And it's called deployable. Let's go ahead and do an mmap scan. TAC-P 445. TAC script on that guy just to make sure. Nothing easy. No low-hanging fruit there. And let's go ahead and check out port 8080 while we're doing that. While that script's running. Apache Tomcat. Alright. Let's go into a manager app. Or is it host manager? Tomcat. Or is it Tomcat secret? Cancel. Is it going to be Tomcat secret maybe? Let's go. Alright. Tomcat secret. Let's go ahead and make a war file. MSF Venom. TAC-P. I have to look up a war file. Oh yeah, we can just do that like right there and just do a TAC-F war, right? We just call this war.exe. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. Say it again. Python shoe. Out of your mind. No, I was kidding. MSF console. Looks like around port 5555. Out of your mind. So just so you guys know that past the hash one, that hash is a real hash. From the CRTP. No, it is not a hash off the test. It is a hash from, what is it? The classic right there. You most likely, unless you took CRTP, are not going to be able to crack it. If you took CRTP, it's like the only one that you can crack whenever you're going through the class. And so you probably remember what it is. But if you never took CRTP, then you aren't cracking it. Let's go ahead and use exploit multi-handler. set the payload to this guy right here. Set the L host to 10. L port 5555. Run that. Upload him. Oh, I hit deploy or browse, whichever one. Desktop, CyberSec Labs. This one was called Deployable War. Whoa, why is it .exe? I didn't make a war file. Whoops. War.war. Well, that might still work. Because it's still a war file. No, it did not. Okay. We see it over here. Gotta wait for that file to be made. There we go. Okay. Now we can upload war.war. Deploy that. Now we have war. Should be able to click on that, and we should have gotten a callback, but I guess I'm just an asshole. Maybe you can't do it with an interpreter. Can you not do it with an interpreter? Oh, that's why. We got to do it with a freaking Java JSP. That's why. Whoopsie daisy. All right, that's okay. We'll call this War 1. L host will do 10.10.0.16. L port will do 4444. Whoopsie daisy. That's my fault. Let's go and grab that. Set payload to this. Set our L host to 10. Set our L port to 4444. Go ahead and run that. And we'll upload War 1. Let's go ahead and browse. War 1. Deploy that. We got War 1. Let's go ahead and do that. And we should technically get a callback. Okay, there it goes. I'm about to say, yo, if we don't get a callback now. Who am I? Probably Tomcat, right? Yep, okay. CD back in the C drive. See who's in here. We got Tomcat Administrator. CD to Tomcat then. And let's go ahead and CD desktop and grab that first flag. Type access.txt. Alright, cool. We got the first one. Let's go ahead and upload that hash into there. Boom, boom. Awesome. And can we get into PowerShell from here? Hopefully. That would be sweet if we could. Probably not, because Windows hates me. Not looking like it. I mean, I don't really want to abort the session, but I mean, shit, man. Do I really have a choice? Do I really have a choice like right there? You didn't really give me much of a choice now, did you? See what our privileges are. We do have impersonate and global, so we could do something with that. I don't want to say that that's the way up, but I mean, that is something that we could technically do, but we've done that like 100 times so far, so I feel like that may not be the way up into it. Let's go ahead and see if there's anything we can mess with. I want to use PowerShell, but we're going to have to use WinPs. Let's try to make a, or power up. Let's try to make a MSF Venom file. Windows, let's do a system info. We got a 2012. It is 64 base, so we're good with all that. We'll just call this shell. Executable, it'll be shell.exe. And we'll put that on L port of 111. Let's go ahead and do a use or set payload to Windows x64 interpreter. Reverse TCP, set our L post to ourselves, set our L port to 111, run that in the background. We'll go ahead and we'll hop back into session 2, I believe it was, and we'll go ahead and we'll download that guy. CD to C, users, Tomcat. And let's download that like right there. And this one is 10.10.0.16 shell.exe, and we'll call it shell.exe. And we'll go ahead and start a Python server over here. Throw that at it. And let's go ahead and run shell.exe. And there we go. We're getting our interpreter shell back. Session 3 is now opened up. We could probably just do a get system if we really want to, but we're not going to. And let's go ahead and do a shell. Then we'll go into PowerShell. At least we'll try to. There we go. Okay, cool. Let's do a cd to tools. And we're going to do a Python 3 web server in here. We'll do a IEX, IWR, use basic parsing, HTTP 10.016 / power-up.ps1. Try something like that, see if that works. Hopefully it does. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Carb Heat. Hopefully that works. It's not looking like it's going to because we're not getting anything back down here yet. PowerShell has hated me lately, huh? His last few boxes, PowerShell has hated me. It's kind of poopy. You know? Okay, let's go ahead and do an upload. PWD. Let's see where I am. Go ahead and upload. Home, Kali, tools, power up. Let's upload that. Go back into shell, PowerShell, and then we'll do an import module, power-up.ps1. See if we can do that. Not looking like it. Looks like we're using WinPs. One exit out here. Upload. Home, Kali, tools, WinPs. WinPs 64. Let's go ahead and we'll hop back into shell and we'll run WinPs. See if we get anything. Let's give this guy a minute. It's like we have full access over Tomcat. Oh, wait, no, that's the one place. Never mind. Oh, well, we do. Interesting processes, non-Microsoft tech values for memory dump. If you could overwrite some binary running. We have full access to Tomcat. So we have full access to tomcat.exe, which means that we may just be able to, just like we did last time, overwrite the executable, thus allowing us to be able to for us to be able to overwrite it and become something. So let's see what else we have. We did that last time, right? There's a bunch of stuff wrong here. Where's the space? Oh, in here. That's not really going to matter. Look for one that's in Tomcat, because I know that we can overwrite Tomcat like right now, right? So I know that we have some type of path injection. Well, I'm looking for unquoted service path right now. Unquoted and space detected. See if we get power up on here. Well, bam! There you go, guys. We're going to power shell. Deploy ready. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Shikata. A lot of unquoted service path in 2012, huh? That was just like a thing back then, wasn't it? Nobody knew about it, I take it. I'm looking for anything that has like Tomcat with it. That's what I'm looking for like right now. There's gotta be something in here. Java startup. Let's farther up. Modify the service. We could start the service like right here. That's what I was looking for. Something. I figured it was gonna be Tomcat that we could start. Okay. Let's go ahead and mess with deploy. Services deploy. Right. No quotes in space detected. So we have it unquoted service path. So let's go ahead and CD into C drive. Let's go ahead and CD into there. Alright, let's see QC deploy. We got deploy here, and we can mess with it. Local systems running it. I felt like I could do that. Huh. Felt like I could definitely do that, like right there, to see what our permissions were on it. I feel like I just did that not too long ago. Or do I have to go like deploy.exe or something like that? Access denied. So we can get to deploy. It says that we have an unquoted service path to deploy. So we can always try that with deploy. So let's go ahead and make a... Should be looking for that. If it goes from deploy, if we put deploy into here, if we put service into deploy, then we should be good with that. So let's go ahead and make a, because it's unquoted service path. The next thing it's going to look for is that guy. Attack P. Let's go ahead and do that. And we're going to call this service. Jesus. Service.exe because of that, like right there. So it should look for it inside of deploy ready. And if we have a service.exe and it already has it, then it'll call back to us there. So let's go ahead and make that for L-port 2222. I've tried Obsidian. I just never... I don't know. I guess old habits. Set payload. Oh, right now our payload's already good, right? Show payloads. Show options. payload's already good. Let's go ahead and set our L port to 2222, and we'll run that in the background. And we should be able to sessions tac I, sessions 3. Where am I like right now? I want to see if you can see that program files. And it was in deploy ready. And we should be able to upload service.exe. And we should be able to do a shell. And then sc stop deploy. Sc start deploy. And it should run, and it is. Should run that service.exe because it's looking for that guy right there, and it finds that service.exe, which is executable. So as it comes through that file, it's unquoted. It's not going through service files. It's stopping at deploy ready, finding, oh, there's service.exe, what I was looking for, thus allowing me to take over that service, thus allowing me also to become NTS system authority, which we can see in sessions 4, get UID, and we are NT authority system. Awesome. And then it died. We probably got to move fast on it. That's probably another problem. Let's go ahead and start up again. Then we're going to have to move fast. Shit. Oh, we don't have to run in the background anymore. Never mind. There we go. Let's go! Sometimes you gotta move a little bit fast. What you really should do is actually just do a PS. So if that happens to you, you should be able to do something like this, where we go back into shell, or sessions 3, we go to sc start deploy. Oh, shell, sc start deploy. Session 7, PS, and we want to quickly change our service to something else. So migrate to 1136. And we want to try to get out of that guy into another service like really quickly to hopefully not, whenever that service doesn't actually start up, it actually crashes. So then we can stay in here and be okay. That should work like right there for us. All right, deployable is finished. I mean, we could have gone into it with juicy potato probably, or sweet potato, or anything like that. But we've been doing those, so there we go. Awesome. And we're still in here, and we're still good. So we can do whatever we want now. Load Kiwi, load incognito. Do a hash dump, try to crack some hashes in here, whatever, you know, you do you, right? Run, post windows, gather something, or, you know, just go through and just try to check different stuff. Bloodhound, freaking dump links, whatever you want to do. Local admin search, enum. Oh, well, whatever. All right. Smart hash dump. You know, whatever. All right, cool. Exit. Exit. Exit out of there. We'll clear that out. We'll exit out of there. Stop him. Clear that out. And we'll CD into desktop. CyberSec Labs. And we'll start up the next box. Stop him. And we'll start up stack. Let's go and make directory for stack. Oh, let me stop my video. Start up another one.